Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my voice is still stupid and that's amazing. Anyway, I decided to do a darker look for you guys today. You know, I've been doing a lot of browns and golds and stuff, and I haven't used any reds, like dark browns and reds, so I really wanted to do a burgundy look. I know it's not the season for it, but I was feeling it, so I don't know. If you guys want to see how to create this dark vampy kind of look, keep on watching. So first, I'm going to prime my eyelids using Tarte's Shape Tape in medium. I'm just going to use my Beauty Blender to blend that in. And I'm going to set my eyelid using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake in Pound Cake. I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Face Bacon Blend brush. So since we're doing a full glam look today, I'm actually going to do my face first for you guys. So for my primer, I'm going to be using Bare Minerals Combo Control Milky Face Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be using Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. To contour, I'm actually going to use a cream contour for once, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. I'm going to go in with these two browns and mix them on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 concealer brush. I'm just going to draw a thin line. And I'm only going to do one side at a time so nothing can like dry there. To blend this out, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. I'm also going to go down the sides of my nose, really lightly. And across. And blend it out. So I'm going to use a liquid highlight, and I'm going to be using Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. And I do this right before I do my concealer. Put a dot on my fingers. And then just blend it in with your Beauty Blender. Now, before I conceal, I'm just going to brighten up my under eyes with this banana color. Now for concealer, I'm also going to use that Tarte Shape Tape in medium. Now I'm going to be using that same Easy Bake powder in Pound Cake to bake under my eyes and my cheekbones. and my nose. Oh, bake all over the place. I've never baked before in my life, so let's see what happens. Also gonna use it to carve out my cheekbone. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using Morphe Brushes 3502 palette. And I'm going to start by deepening up my crease with Orb. I'm going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with a Blaze on this Morphe Fluffy Crease Brush. And I'm just going to go back in with that first brush and blend these two together. Alright, so next one, moving down, we're going to go in with Heat. And I'm just going to go in with another fluffy crease brush. This one is from Makeup Forever. It's the 218 brush. And you're just going to keep kind of moving down slowly, transitioning through the colors. And you can always go back to your old brushes, pick up a little bit of the last color, and blend those together. So next, I'm going to be going in with Brave. We're going to go back in with a Blaze. Just keep alternating through the colors you just used to keep it blended. So I'm just going to put Fire on the very center of my lid, and I'm just going to blend it around it with that same Brave. I'm going to use my finger for Fire. So the last shadow I'm going to be using is Wiz, which is a deep black, and I'm just going to smudge it on my lash line using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. I'm going to use this pencil brush, this Morphe S20, and pick up some of that bright red Fire. And make sure it's blended well. I'm going to deepen up that black line with this Tarteist Double Take eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the crayon end and just going in straight on my lash line. And I'm going to go back in with that black and smudge it out. Alright, and there it is for the top of the eyes. Now I'm just going to brush away my bottom goodness. So I'm just going to brush this away. You know how they do. Okay, so it's definitely brightened up. That's nice. Now we're gonna do our under eyes, and I'm gonna go in with Brave first. Also gonna blend it out using my big brush with orb on it. I'm gonna line my waterline with that same Tarteist Double Take eyeliner. Using that same smudger brush, I'm gonna smudge in some black. Right on my lash line, right on it. I'm gonna blend it out with Brave. And blend the whole thing out with orb. So that's that for the eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna go in for lashes, and I'm gonna be using Icona Lashes in About Last Night Midnight. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with Hoola by Benefit, and I just use this rose gold brush from Morphe. For my nose, I'm just going to take this brush, pinch it, kind of just carve out the sides, exactly where I put the cream contour. And I'm just going to blend it out with that brush I used to wipe away all of the powder. For my blush, I'm going to be using Morphe's 8C Cool Pro palette, and I'm going to go in with Ego. For my highlight, I'm going to be using Morphe's Highlight and Contour Palette 8H Hi-Fi. And I'm going to be going in with Big Bang. I'm going to do that on my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, inner corner, and brow bone. So for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush. I'm going to use my pinky for my inner corner. For my cheekbones, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. Use my finger just to blend out that line. For my nose, I'm going to be using this A25 brush. So before I do my lips, I'm just going to put on some mascara, and I'm going to be using Maldives Beauty's Smoky Mama Mascara. Now for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Tarte Cosmetics Chestnut Liner and their Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in Foiled. So this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys actually learned something from this video and you want to recreate it. If you guys have any comments or questions or concerns, please leave them below, or you can leave them on Instagram, whatever works for you. I will definitely get back to you guys. So anyway, I hope I see you guys in my next video.